Hi. Hey guys, so I wanted to film a video inspired by my lovely subscriber,
GLORIA.
Thank you, Gloria, for being so kind to me, and thank you for being positive and always being there for me. It really means the absolute world to me. I can't even put it into words. So I wanted to do this video to thank you so much. You'll be able to find her Instagram handle here and in the description. Definitely go follow her, give her some love. She deserves it. She puts a lot of work into her stuff because she's always beating that face and looking gorgeous. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and I really hope that you go ahead and follow her, show her love. Like I said, she totally deserves it. So this is a photo of Gloria saying that I can do this. And this is a photo of the inspiration. So I know that it looks much better on her, this color combination, but that's not what this video is for, you know what I mean? So go check her out. And disregard this. I got cream contour on my bed sheets, so I need to get a new set, but fuck it, YOLO. So thank you so much, and thank you, Gloria, for being such a beautiful, kind person, and I'm so glad that we've come across each other. Bye! Hey guys, so as always, Plouise Base on the eyes. I did use 3 different yellow colors. One of them was from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, one was from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, but the first one I used was from the Crown Case palette. They were all matte, and I just wanted to layer up to get the maximum coverage for yellow. I did use my finger and then a brush thereafter. And then for the green, I did use the green in the Crown Case palette, and then I went ahead with the lime green in that palette just to blend it out a little bit more. I went ahead and moved on to the concealer and primer as well too. The eye look was very clean, very simple. I loved it. And then, oh yeah, white on the inner corner, of course. Whatever your highlight color is, put it on the inner corner. And the brow bone. And then I moved on to cleaning up the under eye and then using concealer. And I forgot to prime, so I primed with my concealer already on, which isn't really a big deal for me. And then all the products are down below, by the way, just so that you could get a full understanding of the primer and everything that I use, because I don't really remember it, so to speak. But I do know that I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define powder, not powder, foundation, and then I used the MAC Studio Fix powder. Coty Airspun. You know, I have my tried and true stuff that I always use, and I tend to keep it in that realm. Stuff that works for me, why not keep using it? And then I brightened up the under eye with white Studio Fix powder. And I used the Juvia's Place, the bottom right blush in the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette. And that's the bottom right one. And then I used Crown Case Glowcaine over top of it. And then I for this, I wanted my eyes to be kind of elongated, so I did use black only on the outer corner and fading into a smaller line on the inner corner, and I did put it on the outer waterline, and then I used on the inner waterline MAC Fascinating Eye pencil, which is white, which honestly you can use any eye pencil. I just used MAC because I had it in my collection. And I do have hair glue, wig glue in my hair, so disregard that, as well as that cream contour spot in the background. I have so many spots of cream contour because I opened it and it like sprayed. Anyway. And then I'm just elongating my eye with some liner. GLORIA has these beautiful eyes that are like so beautiful. So I tried to replicate that. I love the shape of her eyes. And then I threw on some lashes. These are just from eBay. I did a video on cheap 25mm lashes before. You could check that out. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics Are You Filming Liquid Lipstick. And then I used the gloss, the clear gloss over top of it. Other than that, that video is complete pretty much. There was nothing really. I always use my finger for a clear gloss because I don't want the red lipstick or whatever color I'm wearing to screw it up in the tube. And then I'm just using more bronzer on the outer corner of outers of my face because I thought I was looking very stark white. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.